Hello, you're here with Randy Hubbard again. Today we have a 1932 Ford Phantom Highboy Street Ride. This thing is listed for $37,500. Now I don't think you can go wrong with this little car. This little car is really nice. Let's check this thing out. There's a little video of it going around it. That thing is nice. I like the way the headers come out the sides. Side pipes run around the bottom there. And I think this thing's been stretched. It's a little longer than your average car. And then I think that top there it comes off, makes it into a convertible. He says that this is a 32 Highboy, street ride, professionally built, small block Chevy, turbo 350, Ben and Jared, needs charge, power windows, low car shifter, new Bluetooth stereo, removable top, custom downs, body stretched, chopped, cabriolet style windshield, 4-link suspension, Aiden coilover coils all around, Ford 9-inch rear, custom exhaust, paint is beautiful, but has some chips here and there. It's registered as a 32, must see. Okay, so if you're interested in this car, you can check it out. There's a bunch of options and stuff that it's got on it. These papers here, I guess that's where they's doing an appraisal on it. But anyway, that's the appraisal report. So he's got an appraisal report. If you want to see that stuff, you just kind of pause me, okay? But then there's the motor. Now that's a good looking motor. That engine's nice. I mean, that thing is really nice. You know, it don't look like it really needs much work done to it. Pretty nice overall. Good looking body. I love that red paint. I love them wheels too. Really, this thing really looks sharp. Interior's nice. It's got that gray leather interior in it. It's one beautiful car. Inside, it's beautiful. Look at that. And it really looks nice. I mean, nice. Yeah. There's them headers I was talking about, all chromed out, and all that chrome underneath the front end. This car is definitely a head turner, and it's definitely worth what they're asking for it. So if you're interested in it, you can click that link right there with your cell phone on your camera, or you can get it right down here below, or you can go down to the description on YouTube, and you'll find it there. So thank you for checking us out, and let's move on to the next car. How about that?